Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 8. Dear learners, let's see our today's topic. It is lesson 6, adverbs plus discussion. Dear students, look here, this is our lecture number 2 and homework number, this is our lecture number 4 and homework number 2 on our annual term syllabus. Dear learners, our topic is adverbs. We all know that adverbs is one of the important grammatical topics and one of the parts of speech. Dear students, at first let's start our class with the definition. Adverbs is a modifying word and it modifies a verb, adjective and other adverbs also. So in these connections I request all of my students to open your English grammar and composition book, this book, English grammar and composition book, page number 31. Page number 31. So all of you open your book, page number 31. The title is lesson 6, adverbs. So look at the title. It is adverbs. As usual, there is a passage, and in the passage here are some italic words which are mainly the adverbs. So look here. Okay. For example, here it is seen that I was completely happy with arrangements. Here the word completely is an example of an adverb. Okay. Like completely, there are many adverbs you will find in the passage. Okay. Dear students, now we will go to our page number 32. There is a definition at first. So look, though I have told you, here it is also written. In fact, an adverb is a word that modifies verb, an adjective and another adverbs. There is look some words, for example, how, when, where, how often. These are the examples of adverbs. Now look here, look at the following examples. Here adverbs are shown in bold and the verbs that modify in italics. Okay. So look here, Rabbi speaks loudly. Here how does Rabbi speak? Look at the word loudly. Okay. Loudly is an example here, an adverb. Then afterwards, she talked with the journalist. Dilruba lives nearby. Dear learners, these are the example for, I am telling again, loudly, afterwards, nearby. These are the examples of adverb. Now look little bit below. Look at the examples of adverbs that modify adjective and adverbs. So look here, that modify adjective and adverbs. So he is really handsome. How handsome is he? That means here really modifies adjective handsome. That was extremely kind of it. So look here. And now adverbs, adverb modifying another words, adverb. So look here, she drives incredibly slow and he drives extremely fast. Okay, dear students, now we will go to our next page. It is page number 33. Remember that adverbs can also modify adjective or even other adverbs. Look at the sentences below. Tanya is really beautiful. The plane worked very well. The plant looked very well. Okay, these are things. Now note that adverbs have other functions too. Now look at the sentences below and find out functions that adverbs have in the sentences. Obviously, I don't know everything. Now another word is he arrived immediately after the meeting. These two words, for example, obviously and immediately, these are the examples of adverb. Now dear students, look here, this is our exercise number 1 and exercise number 1 and 2, this will be your homework. Okay, this one will be your homework. Exercise number 1, page number 33. Now please go to page number 34. It is, as you have seen, so far adverbs frequently end in ly. However, some adjectives also end in ly. For example, lovely, lonely, motherly, friendly, neighborly are the examples of adjective. So look here, lovely, lonely, motherly, friendly, neighborly, these are the examples of adjective. That lovely woman lives in a friendly neighborhood. Very good things. Now look, dear learners, it is positions of adverbs. What is it? It is positions of adverb. Read the sentences below and notice the positions of adverb in each sentences. Number 1, cheerfully the gold medalist greeted the crowd. The gold medalist cheerfully greeted the crowd. The gold medalist greeted the crowd cheerfully. These all are the examples of adverbs. Cheerfully. Oh, not this one. Okay, it is cheerfully, then the cheerfully also. These are the things. Now we are at the end of our page number, it is 35. So look here, it is page number 35. It is exercise number 2. Exercise number 2, it is, this one is also will be your SW homework. Okay. So look here, that means page number 33 and page number 35, exercise number 1 and exercise number 2, this will be your homework. Dear students, don't write only the word, then don't pick up the sentences. Okay. Here it is written 10 sentences are written, you must pick up, and in the fill in the blank or in the gap you will write the answer, that will be the adverb. And in exercise 2, here you will also fill up or write the word, this will be your adverb. Please pick up the sentences. Dear students, now look here, this it is written homework number 2. Okay, homework number 2, exercise 1 and 2, page number 33 and 35. I think you can see it properly. Exercise number 1 and 2, page number 33 and 35 of your this book. Okay, if you open your English grammar and composition book, page number 33 and 35, you will get exercise 1 and 2. Dear students, I hope that all of you have understood the important class. The topic is adverbs, and this class is very important. Please practice at home and do your homework properly. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.